Unveiling the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, battery life and charging performance tested. Are you curious about how the Tecno Camon 40 Pro stacks up in terms of battery life and charging speed? Well, we've put this impressive device to the test, and we're excited to share our findings with you. This smartphone boasts a robust 5,200 mAh battery paired with 45W wired charging, all wrapped up in a stunning 6.78-inch OLED display that refreshes at an eye-popping 144 Hz, powered by the Dimensity 7300 chip, crafted on a cutting-edge 4nm process. The Camon 40 Pro is designed to deliver both performance and longevity. Let's dive into the battery life test results. Last year's Camon 30 Pro had a slightly smaller 5,000 mAh battery but was equipped with the more powerful Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chip. This extra performance gave the older model an edge in gaming, allowing it to last an hour longer than the Camon 40 Pro. It also performed better in call tests, while the web and video tests were quite neck and neck, ultimately giving the 2024 Pro an additional 40 minutes of active use. Now, how does the Camon 40 Pro compare to its competitors? The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, which also features the Dimensity 7300 and a 5,200 mAh battery, offers a slightly smaller screen but with a higher resolution. In video playback tests, it outperformed the Tecno by over 2 hours, showcasing a slight advantage. Another contender, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus, shares the same display size and battery capacity as the Tecno but uses a different chip. Unfortunately for the Infinix, it fell short in gaming and web tests, trailing the Tecno by 2 hours in overall performance. Then there's the Poco X7, which runs on a variant of the Dimensity 7300 and has a slightly smaller battery. Despite the similarities, it lagged behind the Tecno by 2.5 hours in active use, proving that the Camon 40 Pro holds its ground well. Now, let's talk about charging speed. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro supports 45W charging and even comes with a charger in the box. However, it's worth noting that this is a step down from the previous model, which boasted a 70W charger. In our tests, the Camon 40 Pro started off slowly compared to its rivals, and while it eventually reached 100%, it was still 20 minutes slower than the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion and 15 minutes behind its predecessor. Interestingly, the Camon 40 Pro requires you to manually select Hyper Mode from the lock screen to charge at its top speed. While this does speed things up a bit, it still doesn't quite catch up to the competition in the early stages of charging. In conclusion, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro shines with its impressive battery life, making it a solid choice for users who prioritize longevity. However, when it comes to charging speed, it falls a bit short compared to its predecessor and some competitors. Stay tuned for our full review, where we'll delve deeper into performance and camera capabilities, as the 40 Pro features an 8MP module compared to the 50MP ultra-wide of the 30 Pro. The journey of discovery continues.